Hi Internet. Tonight, I'm by myself. I'm gonna cut out some, clean up some of the paint off so I can find all the rust spots on Chip, and start cutting some holes out of this car to get started for when Lane gets back, and we can start building some dash panels for this bad boy. So much. So much dirt and stuff in this fender. That sucks. Oh, we're getting it cleaned up now. Came back again with the update. I got most of the rust cut out. There's still some things that I don't know how far I want to cut because it's going to be a little bit more difficult to build sheet metal. But got this fender out, this piece out, which is going to be super easy. This side's going to suck because I'm going to have to rebuild this. I got hand tools and stuff, but I'm going to be a little bit more on the difficult side. For the most part, it's not going to be too bad. It's not the first time I did it. I did it in the spring on my dart, so I'm a little bit practiced up, but once we get started, it won't be so bad. Got the same spot on this side. A little less to do on this side, just a little bit. And this is going to be really easy too. Other than that, it's not so bad. There's one little hole in the floor I cut out too. Won't be too bad. That's going to be just a little bad boy right here. But other than that, that's it for me tonight. I'll probably be about a week before we see Lane, so see you in a week. Hi Internet, I'm back. Told you it's a week later. I finally have Lane back.
Oh, I'm back.
So I don't have to do shit by myself. Still, body work is the goal of the day. Weld a bunch of fucking shitty metal into this car, and then hopefully next time, engine stuff. Stay tuned.
Okay, so we found more patch material because we remembered we had a shitty hood. So we're gonna take and cut it out up higher on the body line, get into some better steel, and get rid of a little more rust than we originally planned, which is sweet.
Rust repair update. Lane's got a bunch of shit tacked in.
We got pretty much the whole passenger side of the car done.
Yeah.
Good from far from good.
It's better than rusty holes.
Yeah.
Lane is back for 2 more weeks. He's just got home, so hopefully we get a bunch more done. Probably sometime this week.
Hopefully before I go back to work.
Yeah, no more rust holes.
Are ready.